In astrology, we focus on muhurta, the auspicious time. Basically, the problems that could arise in your travel, those relate to basically two numbers. So, first of all, number one, although it will be difficult for you, if you have any option, if you have any alternative flight, go for that. Safe travel is of prime most concern, and of late we have been receiving continuous inquiries from our existing client for asking for a certain date or time that shall ensure safety of their travel and also help them realize the purpose of their travel. So, ancient Hindu Shastras, Indian scriptures, and ancient Indian sciences of Vastu Shastra and astrology, they give us almost foolproof mechanism to ensure a safe and beneficial and gainful travel. In Vastu Shastra, we focus on southeastern deities present in the southeastern part of your house, and in astrology we focus on muhurta, the auspicious time, and also the directional signs that is called disha shul, the concept of disha shul. So combination of all these tools help us ensure safety of travel and manifestation of the purpose of the travel. But in this video, I'm going to share very easy remedy to ensure safety of travel, especially in year 2025 and in 2026. So basically, the problems that could arise in your travel, those relate to basically two numbers. So first of all, number one, that is the ruling number for any kind of travel. Number one relates to traveling, and especially for fun travel, leisure travel. And in our annual forecast video, we are already told about number one. The number one is weak in its strength in this year. So due to its weakness, it's the all the aspects related to number one shall also get weakened. So travel, safety of travel, safe travel shall also get hit due to that weakness. So travel safety is of utmost concern these days. That has come up of late. So number one is one number that we need to address, and another number is number 7. So while you plan a travel, you should always avoid combination of 1 and 7, and any number that is made up of the combination of these two numbers and with the repetition of these two numbers. So if you're traveling by car or with your own vehicle, so you should avoid any vehicle with a registration plate that carries a repetition of these numbers, either the repetition of these numbers or the sum total of the digits that comes out to be number 1 or number 7, that you should avoid. And next, if you're planning your travel through public transport, so if you're going to book a flight, so try to avoid a flight that its number, the flight's number, it should not relate to number 1 or 7 or a combination of 1 and 7. This should be avoided, although it will be difficult for you. So if you have any option, if you have any alternative flight, go for that. Similarly, the departure time of the flight, or maybe any mode of transport, departure time should not be related to 1 or 7. So you should not depart at 1 p.m. or maybe 7 p.m. or 7 a.m. or 1 in the night. So these times should be avoided ideally. Apart from that, people residing high-rise buildings or anywhere above the ground floor. So I'm not talking about people residing on the ground floor, but above the ground floor, maybe first, second, third, fourth, any floor above the ground floor. So if you have a kitchen made in the eastern part in those floors, exactly in the eastern part, if you have a kitchen, so those people are at maximum risk in these years. So a kitchen or a toilet also. So these combinations might be very much harmful for related to your travel aspects and safety of your travel. So ideally, if you are going to buy a new house, so try to avoid that. If you are going to shift to a new house, especially if you are going into a rented accommodation, so you can easily avoid such a combination, such a flat, such an apartment with a kitchen made in the east. So those who are already putting up and in such kind of spaces, so I'll share one very easy remedy. Just need to put a swastika there, especially made up in turmeric in yellow color. So just make a swastika, just draw a swastika on the eastern wall in that kitchen, exactly in the eastern part, considering from the center of your from that space, in the eastern part only. If you draw a swastika in yellow color, maybe made of turmeric, so that will help safeguard your travel. And alternatively, you can make any holy, any auspicious symbol there. If you don't want to draw swastika, you relate to some other religion or some other cult, so you can draw your holy symbols there. And alternatively, you can also place the picture of your the god you worship. We call it Ishtevta. So you can put a picture or an idol of that deity also there. That will help you ensure safety of the travel. But ultimately, it's the combination of astrological and Vastu advices that we sum up in Astronology Numbrovastu, and we advise to our clients that has grown immensely effective in the past. People have given us feedback that that travel proved very much beneficial for them. It was completely safe and they thoroughly enjoyed the travel. So ideally, those combinations should be followed. But in this video, it's difficult to share all those parameters, all those combinations, because it involves a certain degree of technical expertise as also a whole gamut of formula. And then only you are able to find out a good time period, a good muhurta, along with the directional consideration that shall help ensure the safety and the purposefulness and the gainfulness of that travel. I trust this video shall help remove all the superstitions related to travel. And those who are willing to get detailed information, they can please contact at the numbers given in the video and stay connected with us. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. God bless. Namaskar.